so everyone doesn't think we're totally incompetent. We do have, this is backwards, and it's upside down. It's a heater for the water. This was the permanent house for the fish. We had to put them in the temporary tank because this actually started to leak. So we put a little flex seal on there. This one's about 300 gallons versus the other one that's about 100. So yeah, but I'm really loving the idea to put plants in there, especially because we don't know how this weather's going to be. It's very unpredictable in here. So what we hadn't anticipated was a freeze, getting a freeze. We have been 70s for the last 2 weeks, and then it started to rain. And then we got a freeze and it was 30 degrees. So that's what happened to the fish. We had the heater, we got a bigger house for them, but we didn't move fast enough, I guess. So lesson learned, that's for sure.